Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I did Danny Phantom from the show Danny Phantom. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is take off my ponytail holder and I'm going to put my wig cap on so that my hair is not in the way when I'm putting makeup on my face. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this foundation. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. And it is the shade Porcelain. And using a makeup sponge like this, I'm going to put it on my face. So you pour it on, you just tap it so it can come out. Don't put too much because that's going to make a mess. So you apply it on like this. You start with the cheek, then underneath the lower lip on the chin, and then on the other side, on the other cheek. Do under the eyes, on the nose, above the lip, on the forehead, alright, the next thing I'm going to use is this concealer. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair. And I put it underneath my eyes. And then using the makeup sponge, I'm going to blend it in really well, both sides. Alright, the next thing I'm going to use is this foundation powder. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation Powder in the shade Porcelain. So it looks like this. And I'm going to use this sponge and I'm going to press on the powder and then I'm going to apply it on my face. So I do it all over, on the chin, on the cheeks, under the eyes, on the nose, on the forehead. Blend it really well to seal in the foundation and the concealer. Alright, the next thing I'm going to use is this face primer. This is the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Color Correcting Face Primer. And it's the shade Cool Pink. And I'm going to press it on my finger. So I'm going to squirt it. And then I'm going to put it on both my eyelids. So I'm gonna take my glasses off first, and then I'm gonna put it on my eyelids. So start with one eyelid, do the same thing on the other side. Blend it really well. Alright, the next thing I'm going to use is this eyeshadow palette. This is the Sonia Kashuk eyeshadow palette. And it says Bare Necessities. And I'm going to use this light shade here, the lightest shade that there is, and using an eyeshadow brush like this, I'm going to put it on both my eyelids. Next thing I'm going to use is this mascara. This is Rimmel London the Max Volume Flash Waterproof Mascara in the color black, and I'm going to apply it on my upper and lower eyelashes. Like this. Alright. Next thing I'm going to use this smudger brush, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. This is the Ellie Girl The Nudist eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use this dark color right here for the eyebrows, because Danny has dark eyebrows. You apply it on like this. Like this. Finally, I'm going to use this concealer from earlier, this one, the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to put it on things that I do not want seen. And blend it in with my finger. Hold on, I just have to fix my eyebrows here, this one right here. Because Danny doesn't have, well, he doesn't have my kind of shaped eyebrows, but I wanted to do just my regular eyebrow shape, because if he were real, this is how his eyebrows would have looked like. But in the cartoon, his eyebrows are more rectangular shape, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna do my regular eyebrow shape. I'm gonna use this bronzer right here. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. And it's this light brown color, and I'm going to apply it on the sides of my face. So you do it like this, since Danny has a more angled face, like in this chin area mostly. So you do it like this. The final step is I'm going to use this setting spray. This is the Ellie Girl setting spray. And I'm going to spray this all over my face to set in the makeup so it stays longer. Also, when I'm changing into my costume, that the makeup does not get onto my costume. Alright, so this is the final look. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put on my costume and I'm gonna put on my wig. Alright, I'm back and I'm in my costume. This is my Danny Phantom costume. And I'm gonna put on my wig. This is the wig that I use. And you put it on like this. Fix the hair. And this is the final look. And that's how you do Danny Phantom from the show Danny Phantom. Have a good day. Bye.